All right, folks, here's four stocks to be watching this week. The first one here is going to be Oracle, ORCL. This is one of the biggest software companies in the world. And you can see we've been sitting down here at this price between 140 and 160 for almost 2 months now. Okay, our goal here on this channel is to buy when this blue wave is down here below the white line on a weekly chart. That just tells us that, hey, we are oversold. We have dipped really hard. Okay, we want to buy these big pullbacks, and the biggest pullbacks come, right? The ones we want to buy are the ones where the wave's down here. We don't want to buy this green dot right here. Okay, we want to buy the ones that are way down here below this white line. So you can see we've been below this white line now since back here in January. We did get a signal right there at around 190. It ended up dipping down here to 140. So we bought it here at 180. We bought it more down here at around 140, and we're just chopping right now. So right now, if you look at our cheat sheet, we're sitting in the middle of this stealth phase right here. Okay, stealth phase is when things just go sideways. Okay, it's going sideways, and it's also sitting right here on that 4-year moving average. We use a 200 EMA here. That's that blue line on our indicator, and every time it comes down into it all the way back here since 2022, you can see it's a great time to buy. 2022 was about 4 years ago. So the last time we came back down into the blue line was back here in April of last year when everyone was panicking about tariffs, and we got this signal right there, April 21st. Today's April 13th. Okay, of 2026. So this was exactly 1 year ago. We had all that panic about the tariffs. Everyone was screaming bear market. It's all going to come crashing down, right? That was the sentiment. That's always the sentiment when this wave is down here. I look at this thing as like a fear and greed index. Okay, when it's down here, people are fearful. When it's up here, people are greedy. Okay, we want to buy when people are fearful. Okay, and people have been fearful for the last few months. We've been loading our bags. Okay, shutting off the news, and I think this one's going to explode back to the upside. So we're just going to wait till the wave comes back up here, okay, above the white line. Once we get that signal, that's when we'll take profits. It told you take profits right there at 250, and it called the top right there at in September, right up there at 300. So you had 2 sell signals go off there, pulled back, and we got 2 signals over the last couple months. This one looks good. HIMS is another one that I think looks phenomenal. We bought this one down here at 15 bucks. It went up to 27, pulled back a little bit, but now that it filled that gap right there, it looks like it wants to turn and go. This is HIMS. I think this one's going at least back to 60, 70 bucks. It's sitting at 21 right now. I also really like Snap here. Snapchat's one to watch this week because it has earnings coming up on Thursday, and normally Snapchat moves really big off their earnings. You can see they beat on earnings last time, and they literally dropped like 30%. So I think this one's going to rebound, and it's going to rebound really hard. Target on that's anywhere from 10 to 12 on Snap, sitting around 5. And the last one's a penny stock here. This is Plug Power.